Alright, what is up guys, welcome back to another video. We are taking a quick look at XRP here. Before we begin, please do make sure to like and subscribe, really helps out the channel. And with that being said, let's take a quick look at the chart then. As we can see here, we've got XRP having a little bit of a pickup off this low here. Over the past 2 days, we did see that little bit of news about the Ripple SEC case with the Hinman documents, which are basically going to out the SEC as being corrupt liars, in my opinion, from what I've heard anyway and what I've seen and researched. Most likely that has obviously had a decent effect on the XRP price here. You can see a little bit of a pump over the past few days, at least back into that previous level of support as resistance. You can see we came back up into here where the Fibonacci is. Let me just pull this across so you can see it a bit easier, because I'm finding that these Fibonacci's are too far away for me to actually see. Okay, so there's the current low. So we're just talking about this current cycle. Obviously we do have this higher high up here as well. But you can see here, from the previous bull market high to the current low of this bear market here, you can see with the Fibonacci pulled, pretty obvious what's happened here. Chopping sideways for ages, we get the breakout, resistance, 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 capitulation with the FTX collapse. We come back into the previous range, we retest the low, we get the breakout of a bull market resistance, we come all the way back up, resistance, resistance, a big rejection again, and we're looking for that support bounce here, aren't we? But what happened instead? With Bitcoin looking a little bit bearish, we've got this kind of A, B, C correction thing going on for XRP, which is very similar to what's been happening with Bitcoin. You can see this A, B, C correction, making lower lows and lower highs, and now looking like we might come down and continue to the downside here. But for XRP, we have come back up with that news and essentially got a little bounce up back into that previous level of support as resistance here. I did have a long position here, but I've actually closed that at break even, which I saw earlier. XRP floating around my break-even entry, and I thought I'd probably close that position, considering that we're probably going to retest here and go down. So what I might actually do here is close this position now and look to take a short position here at the current price. Stop loss is just going to be above that big wick there, in case we come back up, retest the wick, and then continue down. But I do think, you know, you've got your 1, 2, 3, 4, and then your fifth wave's probably, in all likelihood, going to come back inside this range, especially now we're back inside it, retesting it as resistance. So that is what I'm thinking today, guys. That is what I am doing with XRP. We're probably going to go down in all likelihood again, judging by what Bitcoin's about to do as well. So that is what I'm going to be banking on for this trade and for the immediate short term for XRP. So as always, guys, thank you very much for watching. You're all absolute legends. Please do like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.